In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loading circle animation in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping spinner you can drop into your designs and prototypes in just a few clicks. First, open your Figma file and look toward the bottom of the interface for the action or resources icon. Go ahead and click it. This opens Figma's resource panel, which is where you can discover tools that extend what Figma can do without leaving your canvas. If your panel docks somewhere else on your screen, that's fine. The goal is simply to open the same resource view. Inside the panel, switch to the Plugins and Widgets section. This area lists community-made add-ons that are designed to speed up common tasks. We'll use one to bring in a pre-built animation so you don't have to design the spinner from scratch. Use the search bar and type animations. This helps narrow the list to tools focused on motion graphics and animated assets. From the results, choose Icon Scout. Icon Scout is a popular plugin that includes icons, illustrations, and, importantly for us, animated elements you can place directly on the canvas. Once Icon Scout opens, click into its search field. Make sure you're browsing within the plugin panel so your results come from Icon Scout's library. If you see a category filter, open the Animations section to focus specifically on animated content rather than static icons. Now type circle loading. This query pulls up classic circular spinners and variations like thin strokes, dotted rings, and bold loops. Pick a style that matches your product's tone, minimal for dashboards, or slightly bolder for marketing screens where visibility matters. Select a free option from the results, then click Add as GIF. Figma will place the animated GIF directly onto your current page. You can drag the corners to resize it. Holding Shift keeps the proportions intact. Position it inside the frame where you want the loading state to appear, ideally centered both horizontally and vertically for balance. If your background is colored, check that the spinner contrasts well so it stays legible. Renaming the layer to something like Loading Spinner helps keep your layers organized. A quick tip: keep file sizes modest so prototypes stay smooth. Smaller dimensions and simpler styles usually perform better. If you plan to hand this off, leave a short note in your file explaining that the element is a looping GIF so developers know what to expect. That's it. You opened the Resources panel, navigated to Plugins and Widgets, searched for animations, launched Icon Scout, used its search, filtered to animations, looked up circle loading, and added a free spinner as a GIF. Save your file. And you're ready to reuse this loading circle across your projects.